It was evening and the sun was getting ready to go home after shining bright in the sky for the whole day. It was tired and going back home. And now it was time for the night to begin. The sky was getting darker and darker. But still, all these baby animals were still playing in the farmyard. They were singing and dancing and enjoying themselves. All their mummies came out and started calling out to them. Chickens, puppies, piglets, come on, let's go home. The sky is becoming darker and darker. It's about to become night. And children, there is a forest, a jungle nearby. And it is a very deep jungle. All different types of wild animals live there. When it is night, they all come out. So let's go home. The baby animals were very scared. They all came and stood next to their mummies. See, all the baby animals are standing near their mummies. They are scared of the wild animals. And now their mummies are taking them to their homes. Children, do you know where these animals stay? Let's see where their mummies are taking them. Let's go with the mummy animals to their homes. The dog with its puppies went into the kennel. This is a kennel, the home of a dog. A dog lives in a kennel with its puppies. A dog lives in a kennel. The horse ran to the stable. The horse lives in a stable with its foal and many other horses. A horse lives in a stable. The birds also flew fast to their nest, which they built on trees and lay their eggs. The birds live in a nest. The hens ran fast with her chickens into the coop. This is a coop, the home of a hen. She ran inside with the chickens. A hen lives in a coop. The cow with the calf went into its shed. The home of a cow is called a shed. This is a shed where a cow lives with its calf. A cow lives in a shed. This is a rabbit. A rabbit was also there in the farmyard and it hopped quickly into its burrow. A burrow is a small hole in the ground. The rabbit hopped quickly in the burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. The sheep with the lamb ran to its pen. This is a pen where a sheep lives with her lamb. A sheep lives in a pen. The bees also were buzzing, buzz, buzz, and they went to their hive. This is a beehive which they built on a tree. A bee lives in a hive. And the forest, the jungle nearby. Who lives in the jungle, children? Yes, there are tigers and giraffes, and there are cheetahs and monkeys and many more wild animals living in the jungle. Some animals stay in their homes. Let's see. This is a tiger. A tiger lives in a cave. This is the tiger's home and it is called a cave. You find caves in the mountains. In tall mountains, the tiger lives in the cave. And the lion, the king of the jungle, he lives in a den. A den is also found in the mountains, in deep jungles. The lion with its cub and lioness lives in a den. So children, did you see all the homes of these animals? After getting tired the whole day working on the farm, and all the babies are playing here and there, and when they are tired, they need a place to rest, they need a place to sleep, to eat food. All the animals and birds go back to their homes. Children, we all have homes. Some homes are big and some homes are small. But a home is a very safe place for everyone. For you, for me, for the animals and for the birds. Everybody has a home. We love to stay in our own homes. We do not go to anybody's home and stay. We love our own home very much. We study, we play together, we eat together, we pray together. And when after the whole day's work we are tired, we need a place to rest. And also, as we need place to rest, the animals also need a place to rest, and that is their own home. So children, today we learnt about the homes of animals. Did you like their homes? Yes. Now let's see more animals with their homes. This is a rat. A rat lives in a hole. He digs a hole into the ground or in some buildings and he lives in a hole. This is a horse. A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. See, they are eating their food in their own home, in the stable, and they also live together with other horses. This is the cow living in a shed with its calf. See, they are also eating their food in the shed. And all these cows stay together as one family in their shed. A cow lives in a shed. These are the bees, the honey bee. After working for the full day collecting honey from the flowers, they are tired. They collect the honey, take it back to their home in the beehive. This is a beehive. And they rest in their beehive in the night. This is a coop, the home of a hen. The hen stays with her chickens in this coop. She also lays eggs in this coop. See, there are hens staying all together in a coop. A hen lives in a coop. This is the dog, and he is living in his kennel. A kennel looks like a small house. A dog lives in a kennel with its puppies. This is a rabbit. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A rabbit also digs a hole in the ground, deep into the ground, and he lives there with its family. See, he dig a big hole in the ground and now he will go inside and live there. A rabbit lives in a burrow. These are sheep and they are lambs, and they stay in a pen. They stay in a pen. A sheep lives in a pen. This is a bird. A bird's home is a nest which the birds build in the treetops. They lay their eggs. They take care of their babies in the nest. This is the lion, and see how he's sitting in his den. This is a den in the mountains. A lion lives in a den with its cub. And this is a tiger who's come out of the cave. This is a cave. A tiger lives in a cave. The cave is also in the mountains because nobody goes in the mountains, and that is why these lions and tigers make their homes in mountains. So children, this was all about the homes of the animals. Children all need a home to live. You and me and also the animals need a home to live.